shit. Now I understand why people say, I don't give a shit. This bird did give a shit. Here on the left side is the sea, on the right side the Formula One circuit. There are signs that you can drive a maximum of 60 kilometers an hour here, but that's way too hard on days like this. There is like a festival or something like that at the Formula One circuit, and it's beautiful weather, so a lot of people are coming here for the sea and for the festival. You drive here with 60k an hour with all the kids running. That's dangerous. You have to be extra aware here because people don't look at the traffic most of the time. They look to the left and see the sea, the beach, all the people. Or on the right side, I think you can't see it, but there in the dunes there is the circuit for Formula One. Zandvoort in the Netherlands. Standing in the middle of the road. Risking their lives because the bus is coming like I didn't see her. Across the road. Good that something stopped for you, lady. By the way, a bike you can ride goes faster. But did you know that when you ride a bike on a how do you call that? Where pedestrians can cross the street with white and black, white and black. When you ride your bike there, you cannot go for other people. You have to wait for all the other traffic because you're not on foot there. On foot, I mean by foot. So like here we have a better road. It's wider, less people, but here you can go 50 until this point. So I don't really get it. People waiting for the bus. Sorry, I don't take you.